Yes, my people, back with another one. And for NQ, I'll say that price is bullish based off the SMA, based off structure, where we have taken out that high. We, I mean, we did tap into this area of supply and demand very slightly there. We tapped the 200 SMA, and you can see that price has just moved on higher. Is it ideal? Probably not. Is it up to me for price to be ideal? Of course not. We just trade what we see. So when you head over to the 5-minute chart, we can see that price is bullish based off the SMA and also off base of structure. When we go to our one as well, we can also see that price is bullish. So in this situation, what makes the most sense for me to be looking for longs? There's no need for me to be looking for shorts. Just would not make sense. And we've come from this area here. So within this area, essentially, I would like at least either this to get swept or for price to even tap back into the zone under 1 minute. Then you can see how easily someone might have this zone drawn out, where now they want this to get swept and then they'll look for a trade. So let's see how price plays out. So we've had our sweep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've had our sweep on a 1 minute zone, and price did deliver at least a 1-to-1. If I do go to my 5-second chart, you can see where we swept. We came from this low here, took out this high. You probably have SPS model 1 within that structure. Then we took out this high, and then you can even see that we had SPS within here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And price did give us a little bounce. It just wasn't enough to take out our previous higher high. So it really depends on you. If you are looking, but you can also see how price was reacting off our SMA, so you might have even avoided that just as a whole based off the 5-second chart. But if you just head over to our 1 minute, let's just see what price does. And okay, so instead now, this could be a 1, this could be the 2 for the sweep, 3, 4, 5. So can you see how price came back to at least mitigate the 100 SMA, the middle point between the 20 and then the 200? So there's always a chance that price just wants to at least balance itself out and obviously make its way back higher or even potentially lower. So in this case, price pushed on back higher and made a new high, where that's my MSB. You let price play out, price pulls back. Again, here, depends on how you see it. Potentially SPS model 1, where and then price at least gives you something where you could have taken that potential winner. Again, on the 5-second chart, you can see you don't been able to get into a trade until you got above, but straight away price went below again. On our 15 is a little bit better, but still the same thing. Okay, so we've come back into the 5-minute zone that I had originally. We've had that sweep there. If I go to my 1 minute, we can see that price is actually now bearish. I've gone way past my trading time, but I just want to see what's happened because I don't even know myself. I didn't take a trade on Monday. We took those lows, we took these lows, so now I need price to take out this high, and that doesn't happen, no problem. Took out this low, and now we're taking out this high here. But price doesn't give us the new confirmed higher high, but every and obviously you can see for yourself how price starts to range, and we're now just stuck between this high. We're stuck now between this high and this low, but we did fail to candle close below these lows, which is a liquidity grab, but we are below the SMAs. We've just gotten up, well, hypothetically say we've just gotten above, so now you just wait and see what price does then. So I mean, there wasn't much in NQ, depends on how your checklist is. I mean, there was trades, I probably wouldn't have taken anything, but there was setups, just not ideal in terms of what I'm looking for, but for you it may have been alright. But yeah, as I always say, victory belongs to the most tenacious, and wherever you're in the world, I'm wishing you guys a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening, and a good night, and I'll see you lots tomorrow. Love my people.